As per the topic of this conference, that is effect of lockdown period on challenges and strategies on higher education, India with respect to world. It has affected much in India, and to take the strategies regarding this, various agencies have discussed regarding this, and there was unrest in students as well as the stakeholders of the higher education, and finally the University Grants Commission has given solution for that, and the strategies regarding conduct of examination is also given by our apex body, University Grants Commission. Now, the effect of this lockdown period, it has postponed 2 months schedule of various things including examination. Like that way, the Government of India as well as Government of Maharashtra state has taken a very initiative role during this lockdown period. And also, our Higher Education Secretary, this conference includes lectures, research papers, e-posters and PowerPoint presentation. And also, one another thing is that means we have asked papers from various people, and there is also a rush. Various researchers have submitted their research papers to us, and up to 30th May we are entertaining the research papers. There is also one good thing is that we are also conducting a quiz of various subjects during this conference. Economic effects of COVID-19 lockdown period on Mumbai. These are the various themes which we have put in front of our researchers. The inaugural function of the International E-Conference on Strategies and Challenges in Higher Education during COVID-19 lockdown period in India with reference to world, and its chief patron, Honorable Saurabh Vijay Sir, Principal Secretary of Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra. Our patrons, Honorable Professor Dr. Murlidhar Chandekar, Vice Chancellor of the Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and Honorable Dr. Dhanraj Mane, Director Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. Our speakers are Professor Elizabeth Holding, Professor Arun D. Sawant, Dr. Mirza Mumtaz Beg, Dr. Irshad Ahmed, Dr. Rajesh Ragde, Dr. Deepak Sheshrao Dhote, Dr. Makdum Faruqi. The various papers are submitting by researchers. Themes and sub-themes are very large. About 19 themes and sub-themes are there, which includes challenges of COVID-19 to world, challenges of COVID-19 in higher education in India and worldwide, challenges of slum with respect to coronavirus. Means this is the best example. Means in Mumbai, Dharavi is very populated and it is a slum area. Even in Koliwada, it is a slum. And this subject is also we have chosen for our sub-theme, strategies against coronavirus in India. Coronavirus and its chemistry, it is very important. One should know, means what is the chemistry behind this and in what way we can tackle with Corona-19 virus. Our organization committee members, Professor Yavle, Professor Kishore Patil, Dr. Taide, Dr. Satish Malode, Dr. Sultana Siddiqui, Dr. Jhade, Dr. S. Kumar, Sangeeta Dongre, Professor Tupe, Dhananjay Devlankar, Sunil Ingre, Santosh Chavan, Srikhande, Dr. Chaudhary, Dr. Shakil, Dr. Mohammad Asif, Kapileshwar Madam, Dr. Shailendra Devlankar, Prashant Magar, Vinod Gavande, Dr. Maske, Dr. Vishaka Sauji, and dear participants from whole world. It gives me immense pleasure. This conference is of 3 days conference. On 15th May, that is Friday, registration confirmation of participants will be done, and writing, slogans, poems, ghazals, 1 minute video, graphic design is arranged. Introduction of opening ceremony will be there.